Service in Raleigh has issued a flood warning for the News River and Smithfield from late tonight until further notice. At 7:15 p.m. Friday, the stage was 14.7 feet. Flood stage is 15.0 feet. Minor flooding is forecast. Forecast. The river is expected to rise above flood stage just after midnight tonight and continue rising to a crest of 17.1 feet Sunday morning. Impact at 15.0 feet. Flooding begins along the News River Walk. Water nears the base of the holding tank at the water treatment plant.